Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful terrace garden designs and tips to add greenery and beauty to outdoor space with terrace gardens ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Terrace gardens are a great way to add some greenery and beauty to your outdoor space, especially if you live in a city or have limited land. A terrace garden is a garden that is built on a raised platform, such as a balcony, rooftop, or patio. Terrace gardens can be used for growing flowers, herbs, vegetables, or even creating a relaxing oasis with water features and seating areas. In this video, I will share with you some terrace garden ideas that will inspire you to create your own. I will also answer some common questions about terrace gardening, such as how to arrange, make, and maintain a terrace garden. Whether you have a small or large space, a sunny or shady spot, or a simple or elaborate style, you can find a terrace garden design that suits your needs and preferences. What is the meaning of terrace garden design? Terrace garden design is the art and science of planning and creating a garden on a raised platform. Terrace garden design involves choosing the right plants, containers, structures, and accessories that will thrive in your specific conditions and complement your space. Terrace garden design also considers the aesthetic and functional aspects of your garden, such as color, texture, shape, height, fragrance, privacy, drainage, irrigation, lighting, and maintenance. Terrace garden design aims to create a harmonious and attractive outdoor living space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. How do you arrange a terrace garden? Arranging a terrace garden can be fun and easy if you follow some basic steps. Here are some tips on how to arrange a terrace garden. 1. Start by measuring your space and sketching out a layout of where you want to place your plants and other elements. You can use graph paper or an online tool to help you with this step. 2. Choose plants that suit your climate, sun exposure, and soil type. You can also mix and match different types of plants, such as annuals, perennials, shrubs, vines, succulents, and herbs. Make sure to group plants with similar water and light needs together. 3. Select containers that are large enough for your plants to grow and have drainage holes at the bottom. You can also use raised beds, hanging baskets, wall planters, or vertical gardens to save space and add interest. Choose containers that match your style and color scheme. 4. Arrange your containers in a way that creates balance, contrast, and focal points. You can use different heights, shapes, and sizes of containers to create visual interest. You can also use trellises, lattices, pergolas, or arches to support climbing plants and create vertical layers. 5. Add some accessories to enhance the look and feel of your terrace garden. You can use furniture, rugs, cushions, lanterns, candles, statues, fountains, bird feeders, or wind chimes to add comfort and charm. You can also use mulch, rocks, pebbles, or gravel to cover the soil and prevent weeds. How do you make a simple terrace garden? Making a simple terrace garden does not require a lot of time or money. You can make a simple terrace garden with just a few basic materials and tools. Here are some steps on how to make a simple terrace garden. 1. Choose a sunny spot on your balcony or rooftop that has access to water and electricity. Make sure the spot is sturdy enough to support the weight of your containers and plants. 2. Clean the area and remove any debris or clutter. You can also paint or stain the floor or walls if you want to change the color or appearance. 3. Gather some containers that are suitable for terrace gardening. You can use plastic pots, metal buckets, wooden crates, clay pots, or recycled materials like cans or bottles. Make sure they have drainage holes at the bottom. 4. Fill the containers with potting soil that is rich in organic matter and nutrients. You can also add some compost or fertilizer to boost the growth of your plants. 5. Plant some seeds or seedlings of your favorite flowers, herbs, or vegetables in the containers. You can also buy some potted plants from a nursery or garden center if you want instant results. 6. Water your plants regularly and check for any pests or diseases. You can also prune, deadhead, or harvest your plants as needed. 7. Enjoy your simple terrace garden. What is the concept of terrace garden? The concept of terrace garden is based on the idea of creating a garden on a raised platform, such as a balcony, rooftop, or patio. Terrace gardens are a way of utilizing the vertical space and transforming it into a green and beautiful oasis. The concept of terrace garden is also influenced by the principles of permaculture, which is a system of designing and maintaining sustainable and self-sufficient ecosystems. Permaculture emphasizes the use of natural and organic materials, the recycling and reuse of resources, the integration of different elements, and the harmony with nature. Terrace gardens can provide many benefits, such as 1. Improving the air quality and reducing the heat island effect in urban areas. 2. Providing fresh and healthy food and herbs for consumption or medicinal purposes. 3. Enhancing the aesthetic and economic value of the property. 4. Creating a relaxing and enjoyable outdoor living space. 5. Promoting biodiversity and attracting wildlife. 6. Saving water and energy by using rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, solar panels, or wind turbines. 7. Reducing waste and pollution by composting, vermiculture, or biogas production. Terrace gardens are a wonderful way to enjoy gardening in small spaces. They can also improve your health, happiness, and well-being by providing you with fresh air, food, beauty, and relaxation. I hope this video has given you some useful information and inspiration on how to create your own terrace garden. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful terrace garden design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.